I thought it was from the other side.
I have both.
It's so high quality.
I know, right?
It's like, oh my god, it's better than my camera and my stuff.
This popcorn is flipping delicious.
It is.
Don't mind you choking. It's still delicious.
It's even good when I choke. Calendar.
You're a calendar. Yeah, that just happened. Popcorn.
I want to get weird food so I can eat it and,
What? My
Write
mom is texting me.
and write about it.
Microwave.
What's she at?
She's like, what kind?
Whoa.
Microwave. I dropped it. What a beautiful way.
You missed that. You're pointing to the calendar again.
I can't see what that's on the thingy. You hold it.
Okay. Hi. What are you doing? Your nose is gonna get all buttery.
Delicious.
Can you lick your nose?
Buttery.
Or can you lick it off your nose?
Stop moving. I died. But I still have popcorn.
If you like, can I eat your popcorn?
No, I said I still have the popcorn.
But you died. You
Yes,
can't.
more.
But you can't eat it!
I beg to differ.
Oh. If you died, how come you're not? You can't eat. You're dead. I want that one.
I do what I want.
I'll do what I want.
I do what I want. You're gonna choking. Note, it is not safe to headbang and eat popcorn at the same time.
Yes, it is.
Choking hazard!
No, it isn't.
That was the weirdest
Do it,
voice
little kids.
ever.
Do it.
What is wrong with so many levels?
As in choke, not do it. Do it. Alright.
That's one thing I had to learn. What, mommy?
Almost dropped it.
Don't do that. I can only imagine what that looked like.
But you will, because you'll be able to.
See it. Microwave! And a stove.
My microwave looks so beautiful.
And then when you get up close to it, it's like...
And my microwave looks so spotless and everything.
I don't know.
And
That's
so
a stove.
That's, oh.
You're pointing at the stove.
I am?
Yeah. No, it's me.
What?
No. Turn it. Turn it.
Okay. My
Turn
stove.
Little more. That's a microwave in me. I'm a microwave.
Microvator!
Oh my god. No, it's only a microvator if you have wings or a person.
Or the moon.
That's still a stove.
Or your microvator's on the moon. And you're cooking hot chicken wings on it.
I want wings.
It looks like my oven. Looks so nice and spotless till you get actually up close to it. And it's like all burnt and... it's like really good.
That's how high quality the camera is. It makes things look clean.
Makes me look clean. Pretty. But in reality, I'm all covered in dirt and mud in my head. I'm bald. I am bald.
Ah! No. I'm jealous of the popcorn. Or at least jealous of us for having this popcorn. Hey, that's my thing.
Or what?
I said that's my thing.
I was trying to be the Grudge. How do
I
I?
did that. Your hair is too short to be the Grudge.
Shut up!
You have to like brush it off. My hair is too short too.
Come on, mom, and cut it. Or cut it. How do I shut it off?
Press the red dot.